Hello friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First B stands for bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for off and we can convert into multiplication, or either we can solve square roots, cube roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, solve the innermost parentheses. Now you can see according to this rule, BODMAS rule, we must always start with the innermost grouping first. Now there is 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. According to this step, we resolve the smallest nested bracket to simplify the internal parts of the larger expression. Now the expression becomes 125 divided by 5 in step. Solve the orders, pars inside the braces. Inside the curly brackets we have a par. 3 par cube and subtraction. So par orders must be solved before the subtraction. First 3 cube is equal to 27. Step 2 exponents have a higher priority than basic arithmetic operators in BODMAS. Now the equation becomes 125 divided by 5 plus curly bracket 27 minus 3. Now bracket off. Now the third step, solve the curly braces. Now we finish the remaining operations within the curly braces. Now 27 minus 3 equals to 24. Step 3, we must fully clear the brackets layer before moving to the operation outside of them. Now the current expression becomes 125 divided by 5 plus 24. Now bracket off. Now the fourth step, perform division inside the square brackets. Inside this final square brackets we have a division and addition. So division comes before the addition. First we divide the values. 125 divided by 5 equals to 25. Now according to this step 4, multiplication and division must be completed before any addition or a subtraction. Now the current equation becomes 25 plus 24. Now finally fifth step, the last remaining steps to add the two values. Now we adding these two values, 25 plus 24 equals to 49, and this is the final value. Now according to this expression, by systematically applying the BODMAS hierarchy, the expression simplifies is 49, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.